Funny, I always start these videos and I forget to introduce myself. And basically I'm already done for the day. But just to reintroduce myself, my name is Mike. My friends call me Mudguts, and I'm gonna go yard sailing for the day. So let's see what we can go find. Okay, it is Saturday, June 1st, and it's pretty damn chilly out there. I should actually be out there like hanging up my Christmas lights and shoveling snow. But let's go yard sailing and let's see how it goes. I got a bit of a frog in my throat, which is, you know, the norm when it comes to being this early in the morning. Today I'm going to go a little bit north of the city and see if we can find anything. My wife said there was supposed to be some kind of family street yard sale that way. But first, I need to get a coffee and break some change. So, okay, quick tip when you're going yard sailing. Try and take small bills. Like, you know, there's nothing wrong with 20s and such. But try and take like 5s and 10s, because when you go there and the person is selling something for a quarter, I mean, you don't want to hand them a $20 bill and take all their change. Or at least try and buy enough that it makes it worth their while to, you know, break a bill. All right, let's go. I am way out in the middle of nowhere right now. Come to Caledon East, they said. It'd be fun, they said. Yeah, I feel like I'm on a horse track or something, the way this road is so bouncy. Look at that old barn. Anyway, let's hope this one is a gold mine, because goddamn, getting out here is a pain in the ash. I'm at 67 something and I'm trying to get to 75 something, so that's gonna be a couple more kilometers. At least the scenery's nice. I mean, if I get skunked, I get skunked, but at least it's a nice day out here. Let's hope for the best. It's like a gold mine here. I should have brought more cash. Okay, so I guess if I had to guess, I'm gonna assume that the dude's dad died, and he was a bit of an antique tool collector. And my problem is, I don't really know antique tools. My dad does. My dad would be all over everything in there, but my dad is also dead. And I made some good coin though when I had to get rid of a lot of his old possessions after he passed on. So I grabbed a few things here. I spent 10 bucks. And I felt like I was robbing the guy. I felt horrible just giving him only 10 bucks, but that's all he wanted. So there's a generator there for 100 bucks, which I'm sure I could have done well with too, but you know, this guy's gonna sell everything so fast. I think I got a few diamonds in the rough. I don't know where the hell we are. I'm completely lost. But now let's go and see if we can find another yard sale and then show you what I got. Let's see what happens here. I would say there's no real super deals in there. I picked up a couple things and I spent 20 bucks in total. I spent 20 bucks in total, which is still more than I want to spend. But I think some of it's pretty good looking. Yeah, so funniest thing, she owns, I'm sure she had, I guess she still does, has an eBay store that focuses on baking materials. Baking, not bacon. And I guess they're moving. It's a beautiful house. It's a nice neighborhood. As you can see, these are all beautiful homes. But man, her price, everything was priced, which is nice, but some things she was really premium on and other things seemed really reasonable. And now I'm gonna do a quick, I almost should start heading back. It's 9 o'clock, but I don't know if I'm gonna start heading home or if I'm gonna go to Orangeville really quick and do a loop-de-loop up there. The weather is still holding. Let's see if we can find anything that just kind of pops up. And hope for the best. I was on my way home and I just ran into a random church trunk sale. Trunk sale? Rummage sale? Alright, let's go take a look. I do need a snowblower. What is that thing? Is that a shredder? Oh, it is. $1 each for those model kits. That could be interesting. Okay, wallet, glasses, go. Pretty cool. Let's end this here. So this is Orangeville. It's our farmer's market. I think I got enough for the day. Got some plants. That's how I'm going to finish it. And let's go put this stuff on eBay. And oh, first off, let's find some comparables. Then we'll put it on eBay. Okay, this thing's recording. All right, so this is basically the haul that we got today. So we got all these items here from the first yard sale. This was from the second yard sale up in Erin, and this we got from Orangeville. So let's go over this really quick. I paid $2 for this lunch box, which is all beat to hell, as you can tell. Now what's interesting though is it has this gray Canada socket inside it, and the socket itself, so it says gray Canada, I think that says T57. I figured this might be between, well, I'm going to say 20 bucks. It might only be 10, but who knows. The rest of the stuff in here is Mastercraft, and it's all kind of garbage. So, I mean, there's not much in there that holds value. You can see if it's made in, when it says made in Taiwan, this one, chromium. Anyway, let's go back here. If it says, like that one's in Japan, if it says made in Taiwan, then it's not going to hold any value because it's just crap. So I don't expect this whole box to get, well, I figured the box to get maybe 10. As you can see, it's Sudbury, Ontario. This guy I'm going to keep for myself. I didn't really price that out. This plane is kind of like one of those Chinese knockoffs, even though it's in good shape. I don't expect that to fetch more than, who knows, maybe 10 bucks. This guy, well, let's go to it second. This guy has got plastic on it, so I don't expect it to get much either. I mean, that just might be a showpiece. This, though, this is a Stanley number 100, and I think that says a half. It's in, obviously, it needs a little bit of love, maybe some steel wool. That is probably $50. This is a Stanley Bailey number 4.5. Also kind of rough condition. The handle, a little loose. No big deal though. These sell for $150 to $200. I paid $10 for everything. This needs some love. My hand's already dirty. Second yard sale. I paid 20 bucks for everything, and to be honest, I don't really expect to get a lot out of this. I'm keeping the axe for myself. These comics are about face value. I paid $2 each. The set might go for 20 tops. The Captain American comics I have not priced out. Guardians of the Galaxy, I just wanted to read it. This Pure Later thing, I haven't priced it out yet. Yeah, it might go for 10 bucks, who knows. The bags I'm keeping for myself. These two model kits, if that's what they are, 1/72. These, I don't know if they go with trains or what they go with, but these are brand new sealed, and I think they're probably going to go for it's got French and Spanish. Oh, made in Italy. I think these might go for, who knows, 10 bucks each. So let's see, we spent 10, 20, that's 30, $32. We spent $32. I gave $20 to the performing artist just because I thought they were doing a cool thing, and I bought some plants, so that was another $5. So in total, I spent like 50 bucks plus gas, 60 bucks. But I think that I'm going to get 200 bucks here. Maybe this whole box, maybe 200 bucks, maybe 30, maybe 20. So 250 bucks. So 250 bucks. After spending 60, that's pretty good margins. I can live with that. All I have to say. Thanks for joining me on this journey today. Let's put these up on eBay, and I'll follow up in about a week or so and see what they ended up going for. And I'm really looking forward to it. If you like these kind of videos, leave a thumbs up. If not, thumbs down. I'm easy either way. I'm squinting into the sun, which hurts my eyes. And thanks for joining me. I hope you hit the subscribe button, and I hope we can do this again next week.